Good morning. I'm here in Glen off Devil's Gulch Road, and I'm gonna do this little thing called Knapp's Knob. Just a little side trail off the Crozier Mountain Trail. I've never done it before. I've seen it, but I figured I'd go check it out today. It's probably just enough because it looks really snowy. We're gonna start here from the Glen Trailhead, hike maybe a mile up to a little saddle area where you can look over and see Crozier. And then off to the left is going to be where you start going up an unmarked trail for Knapp's Knob. I'm starting the trail at about 9:25 in the morning, and it's about 20 degrees or so out. And so far, I'm the only one on the trail. No one else was parked at the Glen Trailhead. Nobody's done this trail for a long time. So I just came up upon these tracks right here. And I'm not sure if that's a mountain lion or what, but whatever made those tracks, I feel like they just made them recently. Snow looks freshly kicked. So whatever made those, I feel like is still close by. And this is mountain lion territory out here, Crozier Mountain. Oh yeah. Wow, these prints are big right here. I want to know what made those. Oh my God. Those are fresh, y'all. Those are real fresh. I mean, I don't want to use it, but I will. I'll stab whatever comes at me 50 times. I mean, I don't want to. Honestly, I don't want to, but I really don't want to die today either, so. You know how they say to make yourself look big? Help scare away, a mountain lion or a bear, make yourself look big. I'm no joke. I'm walking around here like Ralphie off the Christmas Story, with my arms all out to the side, looking all big. Well, I picked the tracks up again. And no, those are not human footprints. Those are animal tracks. You see how big and deep those are? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. There's Crozier Mountain out in the distance there. You can kind of see the Piper Meadows. And also the mountain lion tracks that go that way. On the way up to Knapp's Knob. Almost to the top of Knapp's Knob. I'm thinking about going out here. I want to fully explore Knapp's Knob. Working my way out to Knapp's Knob out there. Knapp's Knob. God, I don't know why I don't like saying that. Nothing like a meat bar at the top of Knapp's Knob. You may be asking yourself why I've spent so much time in this area this winter doing these hikes. And honestly, it's because it's the first winter in 3 years that I've been able to get over here. The last 2 years they've had the highway closed down for the entire winter. And in order to get over to Crozier Mountain, North Fork Trailhead, Triangle Mountain, you would have had to go way down to Lyons and back up 36. And that's a long way. But now that 34 is open, I'm going to take full advantage of it and come over here and do these hikes. Because honestly, these are really close to Fort Collins. It's about 11:12. It's time to head on back down. Just about back to the car, and that took about 30 minutes to get down, but that's a real easy one, just a nice easy one if you just want to get out into nature and not like kill yourself. Till the next video, y'all. Peace.